How to fix Bluesky Social app not working. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix the Bluesky Social application not working, you need to firstly go ahead and check out your phone settings. In your phone settings, navigate to your apps. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Bluesky. So in here, firstly, tap on the force stop button and OK. Then head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. Once you are done from here, head back. Then, in your phone settings, you need to check for System Update or Phone Update. Make sure your mobile device system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the applications. Another thing that you can do is you can check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can switch into your mobile data or airplane mode. After that, you can try again and relaunch your Bluesky app. If it is still not working, the last resort would be to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.